Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is NAUFAL RADZLI. Today I will explain about Chapter 5, Question A1. H0 equals the mean of living cost more than equal to 3,000. H1 mean of living cost less than 3,000. Alpha equals to 5%. And we will be using t-test. Sample mean living cost equals to average range. New equals to 3,000. Sample standard deviation equals to stdev dot s range. Number of square root equals to count range. N square root equals to sqrt n. The formula of t-test is equal to mean minus new divided by s over n square. For determination rule, alpha equals to 5%, degree of freedom equals to n minus 1. For critical test equals to t dot IMV, alpha, comma, n minus 1. For p-value, t equals to 1.6789. For degree of freedom, n minus 1. And value equals to t dot dist, alpha, comma, degree of freedom, comma, cumulative, enter. For the conclusion, t-test is less than critical value, therefore fail to reject null. And for p-value more than alpha, therefore fail to reject null. And the conclusion is there is no sufficient evidence to reject null and to support the claim of H1.
For question B, we must copy the data of vacation per year and education level. After copy the data, we must sort the data of education level by sorting from A to Z. Highlight all the data and sort A to Z. After that, we must transfer the data into another table by creating another table. After creating another table, we can create a single factor of ANOVA. Click to data, click data analyst, click ANOVA single factor, select input range by selecting the data we just created earlier. Click enter. Alpha is 0.0.5. Output range is put any cell you want. Then click OK. After that, it will appear just like this. How to analyze the data? F-test is less than critical value, which is resulting to fail to reject H0. P-value is more than alpha, which is resulting to fail to reject H0. The conclusion is there is no significant differences exist in satisfaction among individuals with different level of education.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for the question, the first one we need to create a pivot table and choose this table. Click on the three information, put education on column, relationship on row, and respondent on value. For the value, change the sum to count. And next, create another table of the observed value and the information is the same with this one. For the estimate value, use the formula row total times column total divided by n. So got all the answer for the merit and single divorce. For this one, just use the formula. And for the merit, choose the merit one, and the single divorce, use the single divorce one. And you get all the answer for the merit and single divorce. So for the chi-square degree of freedom, use the formula and you get the answer 3. For the critical value, use this formula. And for the p-value, the value is 0.0091 and the answer is 5%. So the conclusion is the preferences and education and marital status are not related. Thank you.